Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Ian again. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it now. Click on the subscribe button and then click the notification bell so you get updated with our latest content. So for today's video, we're going to discuss the different steps we can do to effectively solve any problem, would that be either in a workplace or personal life. Right, okay, so let's go ahead and get it started. So the first step is identify the problem. So in this particular phase, you need to make sure that the problem is clearly defined. Everybody is aware of the problem and everybody acknowledges that the problem exists. Second step is identify the cause of the problem. So this step is very important because this is actually the key of resolving the problem. So you have to use different tools to uncover the root causes. So you can either use cause and effect diagram or the 5 whys methodology. So again, it is very important that you know the real root cause of the problem. So the problem will be provided the real solution and that the problem shouldn't be recurring. Third step, create countermeasures. So after you've finished doing your root cause analysis or cause and effect diagram, 5 whys, now you have to create the actions that you're going to take to solve the problem. So you have to be very detailed in this particular step to ensure that all possible root causes have been identified and that each root cause has its own countermeasures, and then frequency of the countermeasures, measurement of the countermeasures, so that we know exactly if our countermeasures are working or not. So again, on this third step, it's very crucial that we have identified the correct root cause, based on our second step, and then create the actual countermeasures or action plan. So we gear towards solving the problem. Fourth step, implement countermeasures. So at this point, we have already written and planned carefully the countermeasures for the specific root causes we have identified in step number 2. So once we have already finished our countermeasures, then we have to put them into action as soon as possible. It is also very important that we gain support from all stakeholders, as their support is very crucial in our success in implementation. Again, number 4 will be implement countermeasures. Fifth step, measure the result. It is very important that after we have executed or implemented our action plans, we need to measure where we stand every day or every end of the week. We need to make sure that we are gearing towards success in resolving the problem. If ever that the result doesn't show what we're supposed to see, then we can always go back into identifying the cause of that hiccup, creating countermeasure for that hiccup or setback, and then rolling out whatever countermeasures have been identified. So in short, in this particular section or phase, this could be a continuous process wherein you would evaluate what's causing the problem. You can actually go from step 1 to step 4 and then eventually step 5, measuring the result. Sixth step, integrate solutions to workflows and SOPs. So obviously this is not applicable to all problems that we have, because if it's for personal, we cannot integrate solutions to workflows and standard operating procedures. However, this is pretty much applicable to problems we encounter at work. So it's very important that if we have already found a solution to a particular problem, we integrate them to the workflows and the standard operating procedures so that these kind of issues will not arise again in the future. If ever, number six pretty much is more of standardization of the solutions, and that we don't create additional waste by creating the same problem all over again, 2 weeks out, 2 months out, or 2 years out. So again, number six, integrate solutions to workflows and SOPs. Seventh step, celebrate success. It's very important to celebrate our team's success for every problem solved, because this acts as a powerful motivator for our team members to do even more in the future. Again, number seven, celebrate success. Thank you for watching. For more content like this, please subscribe to the channel.